This may come as a shock to you, but on top of being a great journalist, I'm also a world-class actor that can play any role given to me. Sometimes I have to play certain roles or get into character during Continental Tire garage studio videos. Between service advisors, shop owners, or technicians, I have to put on many hats or shop shirts for the videos that I host. As a shop owner, you should also play certain roles to make your shop better. In this video, we give you 3 roles to take on in your shop to become more successful. Primarily, your role is a leader. Your leadership style and qualities have a profound impact on your employees, as it's not just about your own abilities, but how they rub off on others. Continuously working on enhancing your leadership skills is crucial, and your willingness to learn and improve is apparent to those who you work with. At the end of the day, what truly sets you apart as a leader is your ability to inspire and guide those within your sphere of influence. Another pivotal role to assume is that of a business generator. The main question is, how can you consistently draw vehicles into your shop day after day? Sustaining a high car count hinges heavily on the effectiveness of your marketing strategies. Demonstrating your openness to exploring innovative marketing approaches to expand the business, all while staying connected to your core customer base, serves as a good example to your employees. You also hold the role of tone setter within the shop. Cultivating a positive tone and outlook can significantly enhance employee morale and foster greater trust. Challenges will inevitably arise, but it's your approach to addressing and navigating them that becomes the benchmark for your ability to weather storms and maintain stability. Fostering a positive work environment cultivates cooperation, trust, and solidarity, even in everyday situations. Simultaneously, it establishes a sense of responsibility and fairness across your team. The act of complimenting achievements and expressing gratitude sets a tone, and being available and willing to lend a hand as the owner has an infectious impact. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.